Hi, this is Mandar Marathe, and I'm going to help you choose a life insurance policy, right? So you might be thinking of getting yourself a life insurance policy. You need to choose the life insurance policy keeping multiple things in mind, right? What is it that you need to keep in mind? First, you need to keep in mind the sum assured that you need, and that sum assured needs to be a high sum assured, right? So that there is sufficient fund which you have to take care of your family's financial needs in case of something happens to you, right? So make sure that the sum assured on the life insurance plan is high, right? Second is the policy should fulfill the financial goal you have, right? So depending on your goal, you will choose the policy. Let's take an example of how you choose the right life insurance policy based on your financial goal. So let's say you want to plan for your child's future. That is one financial goal you have. Then a child insurance plan is a suitable policy. It will give you a guaranteed corpus for your child's education, marriage, whatever it is, right? Even if you are not around. Second is, if you want to plan for retirement, then a pension plan or a pension insurance policy would be the right fit for you, right? So you choose a policy which fulfills your financial goals. Whatever financial goal you might have, there is a specific insurance policy for that financial goals. Third, you need to opt for a long term policy coverage, right? So which means usually, let's say 30 years, 20 years, and so on. uh, Fourth is the premium should be affordable, which means you don't want to be paying 5,000, 10,000 rupees every month towards the insurance premium. Rather than that, the premium should be affordable so that you can continue the policy without facing any financial strain, right? Fifth, the company offering the policy should be reputed, right? Get the policy from a reputed insurance company, right? The company you should check, what is the rate of settling claims, right? If someone has made a claim towards the policy, what percentage of these claims are settled by the insurance company, right? If the company has a high settlement claim ratio, then definitely you should choose that company and a policy from that company, right? Just to summarize, choosing a life insurance policy, there are multiple factors that you need to consider. One is opt for a high sum assured or insured, right? You need to look for a specific financial goal, opt for a high coverage tenure, right? The premiums that you pay should be affordable, and choose the right company that suits your financial needs, right? So let us know in comments if you have taken into consideration these factors while choosing a life insurance policy for yourself or any of your family members, right? Have a good day.